What's up, guys? What's up? Ugh. Oh, Tesla's taking off right now. Jeez, that's up 10% today. Whew. That's crazy. What's up, Grayson? What's up, Sean? Good morning, guys. I'm gonna post to the chat. Post it to the chat. Whew. What? Just hanging out, watching these stocks. Apple's doing good. Everything's kind of choppy. I can't believe Tesla's up 10% today. That's crazy. It's crazy. Jeez, dude, Starbucks is hurting me so bad. I'm gonna keep a close eye on them for the rest of the day. They are hurting me so bad right now. I knew I entered too high yesterday, and I realized that now, looking at like the charts and stuff. What's up, guys? Thanks for hanging out, though. For real, I'm gonna pull up the Thinkorswim. I'm only gonna be live for about an hour or so today, but I want to watch the first hour of the market, or like up until like 11 or something. What's going on? See what's going on. Yeah, tell me what's going on. Well, let's go Apple. Mm-hmm. Yeah, everything's still just like shaking out weirdly. Like SPY's rising, right? Like it's going up, but like it's really getting pulled heavily by Amazon, Berkshire B, Caterpillar, Microsoft, because things like Facebook are falling. We're also watching Apple trade sideways. So it's like we're trying to really figure out how these are moving. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like what's moving what where. I mean, Amazon up 10%, or Tesla up 10% is like, that's a great sign, I think, for us. Squares at 139, FedEx 225. I think today's just going to be one of those days, like a sideways. Home Depot would have been a great pickup yesterday. They were on my list and I did not grab them, but they're up about $10 a share since then. I wanted to swing them and everything. What's up, Blake? Thanks for hanging out, my man. What's going on? Yeah, tell me what's going on. But yeah, we're just kind of hanging out with our long-term plays today. Till I free up some capital or gain some of it back. DPST's down again today. I was hoping we can get some rally out of them. I could sell some of my shares and then move that into some longer term plays. But the Apple play is still down about 20%, even though Apple's doing better. Mm-hmm. What's going on? Yeah, tell me what's going on. Yeah, so Apple, I'm really just going to be watching Apple most of the day. I'm just glad my portfolio is not getting clapped as bad anymore. Like it's already up 2% on the day. We did get clapped in the last like couple of days or so, but I'm pretty happy with this Apple call for October. Down a little bit, but I mean, I was breaking even on it when they were at 117.20. They just happened to fall since then. Tech's going to be interesting to watch because even like with Tesla being up this much and like Amazon, Facebook's falling, but Microsoft is looking good. Berkshire B was going up. DocU had a pretty red candle. And there's a couple things that are like selling off. But as far as like the overall health, it just looks like a normal consolidation day, which is what we need. We just need consolidation out here. Like that's what we need the most right now. That's what we need the most. Yeah, tell me what's going on. Pull up my Thinkorswim so we can watch Aapl. Thank you guys for hanging out, though, for real. Yeah, I'm gonna get OBS going pretty soon. I know I said I was gonna do it last weekend. It just totally slipped my mind. But to where I can stream like my charts and stuff to you guys, so it's not just my face the whole time. Don't forget to watch a new video too. I just dropped a new one on risk management. A couple people in the Discord asked for it, so I was like, yeah, it's not a bad idea. I can make a video on risk management and just like what I do, my plans, what I follow. Sometimes they get away from me, but you can keep minimizing your losses. I think you can do pretty well in options. What's going on? Yeah, tell me what's going on. What's going on? SPY kind of going sideways, but I'm just glad that like my portfolio is recovering today. That it's just so great to see that. So we got some more buying power freed up, but I'm not gonna make a play yet. I want to just keep watching the market shake out. It's kind of the plan for today. What sucks about these drop-offs that gains are so slow and so I know, Blake, that it literally has been all I've been experiencing. I'm like, oh, I'll wake up and like my pre-market portfolio is up 500 and then boom, it'll be like break even within an hour. And I'm like, do you know how long it took for that to rise? Like the sell-offs happen so quick right now in this market. It's just blowing my mind. Absolutely blowing my mind. What's going on? I think your Slim's being weird again today. Give me a second, I'll get that fixed. We'll start looking at some charts. I'll see what's going on. Apple's looking better though. As long as we can keep that guy going. I have it for October, but I do want to keep that guy riding. I'd love to get in the SPY call, but the short-term stuff is all like I'm gonna wait for my portfolio to shake out more before I enter any other positions. I probably won't even enter any new ones today, but we'll see how everything kind of reacts. I just want my portfolio value to go up a little bit more so I can get more confident. So I'm not just like throwing money in. It's like, getting erased. Let's go. Chewy King, is Chewy just exploding? They were on my watch list for the week. Oh yeah, Chewy had a good day. They're up a couple bucks. It's a good pattern too. Good trend. What's going on? Tell me what's going on. This is weird. What's going on? Tell me what's going on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Apple puts. Oh, what's up, Ben? Hola, amigo. Oh, Blake said might enter a long-term spy position today or tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just watching for now. No, I'm actually playing my Apple call. I have it for October. They have that more on the call side of it, Daniel. Nate said, "Do you think it'd be a good idea to hop into Apple right now and hold till next week?" I think, yeah, this for at least another 2 weeks. Get through all this market volatility, because when stocks are trading like this, that's not where I don't want to trade, even on Apple. Like it's up, down, up, down. It's hard for me to find like positions to hop in and out of. Even Tesla's doing the same thing. I mean, there's a couple things that are really streaking towards the sky, like Realty Income. But I mean, if we look at literally anything else, Caterpillar's doing good. P-Tone coming back down. Spy's above 338 now. So that's pretty crazy, actually. And Home Depot's up to 274. That would have been the play yesterday. If I hit that one, if I would have hopped into that, we would be doing so well. So that was the number one guy on my list, was Home Depot. Chewy was doing good too. And then Apple. And I hopped into Apple out of all my plays. And we're pretty much back to where we entered it at yesterday, I'd say, for most people who entered Apple with me. So portfolio is doing better. Yeah, Apple's climbing. Apple's above 117 now. So we're doing good. I'm liking my position. Spy's at 338.70, which is great. That means Apple's picking up some steam. I bet Microsoft is too. That's what it looks like. It looks like they picked up a lot of steam. What's going on? Tell me what's going on. But yeah, Nate, that's what I plan on doing. Keep watching the plays. Trying to figure out what's going on with my YouTube. It's being a little weird. But yeah, I like where the market's sitting right now. I mean, SPY at 338.72. I mean, this thing pretty much lifted off this morning. SPY did. So that's crazy. That's good news. Good news for us. Yeah, SPY's up 1.5%. So that's honestly like as good as it can get. I think that's great. It's a lot better than us seeing nothing, or another red day. Because yesterday we pretty much hit like our bottom, where it like boom on the 8th, and now we're slowly starting to climb back up. So I think we'll climb back up another 1.5% throughout the week. But I think we're going to just see more consolidation. I'm just happy the portfolio is climbing back up. So next level to see that. There we go. Getting some more lift off somewhere. The Tesla. No. Maybe Apple? Probably Apple. I don't know. The portfolio is climbing, but I can't see from where. Maybe the SPY call? Yeah, weather the storm until the sun comes back out. Aha, that's how I do that. Whew. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm actually liking how laid back today's moving. Everything's kind of like shuffling back and forth. I like that. Tesla pulled back a little bit more, testing some support for the day. Apple's hanging out, kind of going sideways. But everything across the board's looking good. TPST's down a little bit, but that thing can recover pretty quickly. Yeah, SPY's looking really good. I think we'll close above 3 340 today on SPY. I really do. I think it'll pull back a little bit naturally and then just run another 1.5 so that we can retest like our September 4th levels. I really think that's what we're going to see. Okay, Pasa, what's up, Ben? PFE, MSF coming back up, Walmart and Target, Mecca said. Yeah, those, I bet Walmart's looking pretty solid. WMT. Yeah, I had a good day. Good 2% gain. Yeah, I'm happy with days like this where some things are like shooting off, other things are hanging out. UPST's down even more. I need a better candle. Trying to get them back up. They're a big part of the portfolio. And push that up. Bull trap, Marco says. I don't think so. I seriously think we found like support. Everything bounced off the EMA lines. So everything's looking good to me. I mean, don't enter until you're comfortable and don't invest with money unless you're willing to lose it. But from what I see, I'm pretty sure everything's looking pretty smooth so far. Yeah, like today hasn't been like the prettiest day, but as far as like Tesla being up like 8%, REITs are doing good. Like the REIT sector, I guess, is the strongest it's ever been, right? Am I wrong? No, it is like the strongest it's been through the whole COVID. That's crazy, man. The REITs are really just pumping out. They all seem to be the strongest they've ever been. But yeah, a lot of the tech guys are still like kind of lollygagging. Home Depot had a good run though. Just watching some of my positions, but I like the whole market position. It's not pretty, but it's not ugly, which could have been. Like I said, if it's not ugly, I think we'll be all right. Man, that financial education guy got 80,000 views on a video he posted 14 hours ago. It literally says why Tesla stock price is going down. Just bought SPY for 1023 at 340. Yeah, that's going to be a good one. That's a good one, Blake. I'm thinking about copping one just like it. I like SPY. I like SPY for that long out too. It's going to be wow. Caterpillar is just printing today. It's up 3.5%. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, I like SPY a lot though. I think especially for that far out. And if you hold it well, that contract gets in the money, it's just going to be a money printer. It's crazy, man. That's an awesome play. Awesome play. Yeah, that's an awesome play for real. Especially that far out, you could literally like not even watch it for a long time and you'd be doing pretty well. So that's pretty cool, man. For real. Good pickup there. I really think it is. I really think that's a great one. But yeah, we're just watching everything kind of shake out. but I'm still liking it overall. The support line again. Microsoft going sideways. I like the over, like I said though, with how bad the last couple of days have been, you know, like we're seeing like SPY sell off 2 days in a row, like 3%. I really, and even though it was overextended, now it's back on the trend line with SPY. Like SPY bounced off the line. It felt. I remember when I saw it fall through 351 or 349.50 on the first day. 341 was the other line. MSF. What's that? Is MSF? Let me check it out. I do not have MSF on here unless you're talking about Microsoft MSFT, or maybe it's just a different app. Because I know Robinhood doesn't list everything, like all the funds. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that looks like it's in a good spot. Apple's looking good. I like Apple where it's at though. It's great. I mean, they're gonna have a huge event. It's gonna be. I think they're gonna be a good stock to hold. Out of all the tech stocks, Apple's finally playable again. They have not been playable personally for like 2 to 3 weeks. Like, yeah, you could swing or you could day trade them a little bit, but they're swing trades. Like, oh man, it's almost like you don't know what you're gonna get with Apple anymore. It's crazy. But it's cool that they're so big, so then you can kind of tell which direction they're going to go for the day based on just like how they're moving. So that's what's really cool too. So yeah, that's what's really cool. So Bad Jacks, we're just holding Apple. I know some people picked Apple up, but I picked up Apple yesterday, right around where it is now. I picked them up at like 117, like right when they hit 117. They're at 116.33. But I got it for October. They got the event next week, so that's why we're playing Apple. So I grabbed a 118.75 call for October 2nd, and I'm hoping we can see Apple go back into the, like 120 range. Yeah, so they're having an event next week to like showcase new products. Like I guess they have a new iPad coming out and then also the new iPhones and stuff. So it's just like the new product line. And then I bet they're going to launch them like first week of August or second week or something from what I've seen. Yeah, so that's the event. So I was like, I'm kind of banking on that. And also just with them being beaten down in the sector, I think they're one of the stronger tech stocks for if we're talking about ones that didn't get like completely destroyed. Because they went from like their all-time high down, but if we're looking like other tech, I mean Tesla getting crushed from 505 down to 350. I mean, that's a big crush, but Apple moving from like 130 to like 115. I mean, that's not that bad. Zoom took off today. Yeah. Yeah, Microsoft's doing good too. Yeah, Zoom had a good day. Wow. Wonder why it took off like that. It's pretty crazy. It's a good setup too. That trend's looking good. Yeah, in the portfolio. I won't enter anything too crazy. Everything's for October, so I don't have to worry about like the short-term fluctuations or anything. But yeah, Mecca, I saw that Zoom took off. That's crazy. Zoom took off, Tesla did. So like swinging Tesla or Zoom would have been crazy. And Microsoft looks like it's doing pretty well today, up 4%. So that's climbing again. I like the setup on that. That's why I don't think we're in a bull trap. I think yesterday was a great time to buy, and I think we're going to start seeing some, some reactions. Yep, SPY's at 339.17 now. Like I was saying earlier, I think we're going to see SPY at 340 by close. But I don't think today's going to get like crazy. But I think today's going to be just a solid day. We'll get us back into the 340s and look for some more like consolidation because we got a lot of the tech guys still going up or down, trying to figure themselves out, trying to see what they're into, what they're up here for. So it's going to be fun to watch. I think today's going to be a fun day. Yeah, Amazon's really pulling SPY. Amazon's up like $80 today. I didn't know they fell this much. Yeah, they're on a good setup. If I had more funds, I'd probably start playing Amazon. Hopefully it's like June setback, 3-day setback, and we're off to the races. That's what I was thinking. It honestly looks just like the June pattern. If you guys look at like the June SPY movement, it looks just like it to me. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out. I think DPST is still dropping a little bit. It's hard to know because it's like I could free up some capital for some more plays, but it's like I kind of want to just take today, sit on the sidelines a little bit, That's what I'm thinking. Just see how everything shakes out so that we can maybe make a swing entry or just hold out until tomorrow. Man, I think your swim's still not working. Barge, thoughts on Aapl? I'm holding it. I have Aapl calls, so I'm holding mine. I like them though. I like them. If you're gonna play them, I'd play them for October, because who knows what September's gonna bring. Blake said, Andy said, big gap fill up, or Aapl big gap up. I feel like I'm taking a bit of a risk here by entering without too much of an indication, but we're going to be in an uptrend, but hopefully by October it won't matter. Yeah, no, I honestly think like this is what buying at the bottom is, or buying the dip, you know. I really do. Yeah, DPST still going down, isn't it? Yep. Oh, your Aapl expiration is the 25th. Well, it just depends. I mean, are you at your stop loss spot to where, you know, if you're down like 30%, you have a position, look for a better play? Yeah. Oh, yeah. 57.5 calls. Or, oh, because they're 40 or they're 50. Yeah, I like Intel. I'm still holding mine. I don't plan on getting. Dude, my charts aren't coming up, though. What is happening? Let me try again. But I like Aapl, though. I think it's solid. I think there's a lot of good plays. Jeez, dude, my laptop is just like so crazy. DPST's down some more. Everything else is doing so well, and DPST's like, nah, dog, sorry. Yeah, Aapl had a good push. Tesla's on the way up. Facebook had a nice little gap up too. But there is no technical analysis behind why they did that. It's crazy if you enter here. I think getting a Facebook lead $100 today. Are you kidding me? That's insane. Yep, and here comes Spy, trugging along. NVIDIA, everything pretty much just shot up for a minute. My portfolio very low because when everything shoots up, DPST goes down. I have it propped up and everything. It's like every time I try to open Thinkorswim, my laptop's like, nah. Well, everything's looking pretty good right now between tech, between almost every single sector. Peloton's back up. Shopify is looking good. Even NVIDIA popped. They're up $28 today. It's a big day. It's a big green day. Yeah, so we just let those ride. Yeah, I like your Intel play, Ryan. I do. I think we'll be totally fine. We look at Chewy because I want to see what kind of path they're moving on. Okay, so there's their VWAP line. The lower VWAP. Yeah, because they might be kind of downtrending right now. So I'd wait a little bit to make an entry until we see, of course, when we see a green candle to make an entry could be a good idea there. Because I have to swing mine, so I could even wait till the end of the day. But I would play it long term anyway, because I think this would be a trend setup for, come on, phone, for the next couple of days or so. But I'd wait for a green candle to make an entry. It's a good day. It's a green one. I'm pumped. Let me check Aapl. Yeah, Apple's looking good. It had such a green candle, mounted the VWAP, took off, pulled back. Yeah, usually if you get something that mounts the VWAP like that and you get some green, it's always cool. I think you can always hop in for a day trade. But yeah, they're going to pull back. I think Facebook's going to do the same just because it was so green. People are like, I got to get out of here. Spy's looking good, though. I really like where Spy is right now. 4 green candles in a row, separated by 1 red one, and then another one going. It's good news. Yeah, Apple 117.15. It's a great position for it. Yeah, that's what's nice about copping them for October. SPY charts. Yeah, SPY's on another green candle. I think we see it push past 340 today. Yeah, I'll get OBS going for tomorrow's stream. I just got to do more research on it so that everything looks good. I'm not hopping between stuff and you guys are getting confused. Like, where'd the chart go? I just want to get it to where we can watch Think or Swim together. You can do some charting. Yeah, I'm looking SPY right here. This is awesome. I think we'll see 340 in like the next 30 minutes, honestly. Like, that's how strong it's looking right now. I think people are trying to hop back into plays. Anybody who panic sold, they see a green day this big, they're like, we got to get back in. Even Apple's on the climb. It's up to like 117.50. So yeah, we're getting a little bit of, like, it's cruising. Netflix is cruising. Oh yeah, there's Apple. There you go, Apple. Pushing 118, baby. Great. It's a great sign. That's the only thing about buying these longer term positions is like they could climb. And your position, even though you have good deltas and everything, you don't have the volume there. So the bid and ask determines the price more than like anything else. It's weird to see. Yeah, tax rebounding. We just have a DPST falling through the floor, so that's why my portfolio's still dropping. But Tesla's looking better. Facebook's doing good. Microsoft's doing good. Amazon's just cruising up $120, $122 on the day, still cruising. SPY's at 339.70. Lulu plays, Mecca said. I'm not going to play Lulu. I know their earnings are this week from what I've seen. Tango said, yo, good to see you still taking action today. I need to get back into it. Yeah, I just wanted to hold my Apple stuff. I wanted to get into Apple, hold it, because we got some time on it. We got time on Apple, especially October plays. So I'm just holding on to my October Apple call. See if we can get some more traction out of them. But they're crushing it this morning. Dealt with a little theta decay overnight on my play, but not too bad. It's for October, so I'm pretty excited. I think that's going to be one that does good. I'm just getting hurt on DPST because it's just fallen. It's the bank stock. How do you feel about Roku? What's up, Adam? And then good morning, Pete. Thanks for hanging out. CRM popped off a little. Yeah, I'll check CRM out. How do I feel about Roku? Let me look at their chart. I'm like, dude, Apple right now, cruising. Dude, I think Apple's going to be 118.50 by the end of the day. All right. Yeah, Roku did pretty well. It fell quite a bit. So watch that around there. I do like Roku. Okay. That's what it seems like they did last week. So I think today they'll kind of hover around 162 and then maybe make a move tomorrow. Now that's just what I could be wrong. Just because something happened in the past doesn't mean it's going to happen again. But that's my opinion. SPY call is cruising right now, but I have PTSD. I had a long SPY call before this drop that was up 500 to 600. They ended up selling for like $40. I feel that, man. If you can trade it, maybe that's what you do from now on is just day trade it. Just do a couple of day trades a week, and that's all you option. Because, yeah, I don't blame you. I can get pretty ugly out here. It can get pretty ugly out here. Yeah, SPY's up 2% today. If you guys look at the chart, oh my gosh, it looks amazing. For like today, whew, it's crazy. I bet it pulls back a little bit sooner than later. But dude, I think by the end of the week, we'll recover back to like 344 by Friday, unless something crazy happens. But I mean, the sell-off was so hectic that seeing it literally yesterday at 330 and today at 340 is like, that's awesome. Or it's almost there, right? Aren't we like a couple cents away? Yeah, like 20 cents. Dude, that's oof. Man, SPY at 339. Just crazy. I kind of want to hop into a long SPY call. It's just because it's up so much right now. It's like, the IV is going to be. But we've just been taking it slow because, like I said, I have some of these positions that are just getting clobbered today. So I'm just waiting for my portfolio to pick up like an extra $700, and then I could start making some better moves. But I don't really want to jeopardize like my account with how much I've lost last week by getting super risky. So just kind of holding a lot of my long-term positions, see what we can get back out of these losses over the last couple of weeks. Yeah. The Apple chart's looking good. Apple got that high in a red candle. Wow. Yeah, that's going to be a good one. I think this is the run where we see SPY. SPY got another green candle. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, I think this could be the green candle. Either this is like the green candle that takes us to 340, or this is another consolidation one, and we'll start to fall down a little bit, maybe to like 339.15. So we're either going to get pushed up to 340 on SPY, or we're going to fall back a little bit. But I think this is the green candle to take us to 330 or 340 on SPY. I'm digging it. This is sweet. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal morning. I'm doing all right. Just like one of those mornings, kind of cloudy, rained throughout the night. Just a slow start. Like the market's up, but your positions are getting there have already been so clobbered that you're just like, yeah, at least it's looking better. That's how I feel about this right now. But I'm happy you guys are here. Don't forget to sub if you haven't yet. But I think everyone here is a familiar face. So I really appreciate that. But Apple's cruising this morning, or today in general. Apple's cruising. Cruising. Nvidia cruising. Yeah, Apple's cruising. 118.08. That should be pushing SPY up. It should be really close. Yeah, 339.60. Yeah, because this is either, it honestly could break out again. But it's already up 2% on the day, which is just nuts. AMD, is that cruising? Oh, yeah. That would have been a nice entry. I was going to enter earlier. I was looking at it, but my funds are really restricted because of how much crash action we had. We had a lot of crash action this past couple of days. But I'm happy we're back on the rebound and the portfolio is finally able to breathe a little more. Especially in the tech sector. That is a cool position. Suddenly I see. Yeah, Zod, I feel you, man. Yeah, but you're not whining. Hey, that's great, man. See, because you understand you only invest money that you're willing to lose because you're trying to make more with it, right? So I love that. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I lost a ton of money over this whole pullback. I'm not complaining either. Just is what it is, and we can always rebound. I mean, the way I'm looking at it is it's like it's literally set my portfolio back to where I was a month ago. It's like that's a month, right? That's fine. For as bad as it got, only set me back a month, man. I know people, if I had all this in the COVID pullback, people lost what they gained in like 4 years, man, if they were holding. Like that's what's crazy. If you got pulled back on and everything was like the 4-year pricing, like for you're like, damn, I could have, you paid like $14 for something, watched the stock run to 16, and then it fell all the way down to 5. You're like, wait, this is the lowest it's been since 2016. That's when you're like, damn, I screwed up. But if you're like, your portfolio is just set back a month, 2 months, even back to COVID. I mean, if you really think about it, people lost a ton of money in February and March. We had a 3-day loss. And yes, if you're playing big, and I was, and you have long-term positions, like think about it. I have 15 Tesla shares that were $500 a piece. Now I have 15 shares that are $350. That's $3,000 in lost value in 3 days just from Tesla. So it's like, and like, yeah, my average cost is like 160 on them, so I'm still up all time, but I was up way more. But if you held through, you'd be about the same place. Yeah, definitely. You would really be at the same place. SPY's at the same spot it was before the pullback. That's why it's just such a messy market year. because the market's just unforgiving. It's crazy. What up, Roberto? Thanks for hanging out, my man. For real. We're watching Spy. I guess it did pull back to the 339.20, like I was saying. But we'll get some more action out of it. Is it that cold in Michigan? What's the Michigan weather? I'm just cold this morning. I don't know why. It's 59, so it's not cold, but it's like foggy, rainy, 59. So I'm just wearing, yeah, it's just like a pullover or whatever. Cover over, whatever this is called. Pullover. I call it a pullover. Yeah, it's just a Arizona State one. But yeah, I don't know. I just am cold this morning. I don't know why. This room just always gets cold. It's like where the wind hits the house the most. I graduated from a community college in the spring. I went for business, got my associate's degree, and then was like, I want to start doing, focusing on YouTube, focusing on my CBD company. So, and until COVID gets better, I don't plan on going to college. So I got a lot of homies who, either are on all online, which is cool. I like all online. I just want, if I'm going to go to college, I want to do in-person classes. I want to meet people, like just have an experience with it, right? Just have fun. So I don't plan on going back to school until COVID gets figured out. Cause dude, it's crazy, dude. The virus is just like, it's crazy, man. Especially when you see people, get the virus, you're like, that's messed up, man. Like that's just scary. Denver, it's 36 degrees right now. Oh my gosh. It do be cold. Suddenly I see, suddenly I see. What so much to me. Yeah, it doesn't even feel like we had summer. I feel that. It literally just cause COVID, bro. It literally just screwed. It literally screwed everything. It's warmer in Michigan than down here in Missouri right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I heard there's just like a cold wave going over the whole country right now, from what it seems like. Just a wave of just cold. So nasty, so nasty. Yeah, it's just cold. But yeah, I mean, it's only supposed to be in like the 60s today. Nothing too insane. Gosh, dude, this market's so crazy. It's like, I don't know what to do. It's a good day, everything's up, but it's like I want to enter more positions, but I kind of just want to enter a longer SPY call. Gosh, it's just so hard to know what to do. So hard to know. Suddenly I see. Yeah, it's just a cold. It's just been cold. Last night was cold. I was like, oh my gosh, it was like 50. I was shivering, just running out to the car and stuff. Suddenly I see, suddenly I see. Semi-isolation. Does that mean like I don't go into public as much and just kind of stay home, but I will if I need to type thing? I can let me look up semi-isolation. Are the houses far apart? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, the houses for me are far apart. I only have a couple houses and they're near me and they're probably like at least 50 yards away. Each house. 50 to 50 to like 100. Like I can see them from my window and stuff, but they're nowhere near. Suddenly I see. Why it means so much to me. Yeah. Yeah, like I can see them and stuff, but yeah, pretty semi-isolated. If that's the term. That's a new term. I just learned it today. Yeah, let's check Chewy. Let me check the charts. I'm just watching SPY go up and down. That's good though. I mean, as long as we're not going down, consolidation is totally fine. Suddenly I see. I don't know if you guys are, but I am pumped. It's gonna be so much fun to watch. So much fun to watch. Chewy's in a weird spot, not gonna lie. I like it here. Stock's like moving. Suddenly I see. SPY just ripped. Any ideas to move in? Nah, I don't have any. Or when to move into like Chewy maybe. I mean, I added a lot of my long-term October plays, so I'm just kind of watching them develop. Oh, SPY did just rip. Oh my gosh. Yep. We got a little. Yep. It should pass 340 right here. I would say. I got to get my thinkorswim going. Yeah, it's just scary when you're at all-time highs like this and people get feared every day. People like will fear people, like throw fear at them, be like, we're at all-time highs, and then a huge selling spree happens. day. Fun day to watch. Suddenly I see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, your neighbor's like 10 feet away. Yeah, there's a lot of my homies. That's how it'll be when I live in Denver. They'll literally be like 10 feet away. What pops? We got a little pop out of it. I was like, I recovered that much in like 2 seconds. Look away from the market for a couple, and it's just like, boop. The Apple calls are doing pretty well. SPY call for October, recovering a little bit. Intel's doing better too. Everything's just looking a lot better. Like I said, if we can recover the portfolio like another $500 from here, I'll be able to make some more plays. I just don't want to put more money at risk. Oh, we did cross 340 on SPY. Oh, we did cross 340 on SPY. It's pretty cool, man. It's good. That's a great sign. That is such a great sign, personally. Suddenly I see. So with the deadline coming up for Snapchat to be bought, what do you think is going to happen? See, I haven't even really looked into that very much. I don't know if Snapchat stock will react to it though. It depends, I think, on honestly who buys them. I think people would want it. Snapchat doesn't really make money, especially off ads. Like they do well. They have a team. I mean, they're a good company. Their stock just doesn't move. This week, got all October stuff. So with all October plays, you can really just sit out throughout this week. Got all October stuff. So with all October plays, you can really just sit and hold and just ride stuff out. So that might be the move. It's just kind of ride my plays. I'm just kind of I want to see how tomorrow shakes out though too before I enter anything brand new. Like Facebook had a good run, but I just want to wait, to enter stuff. Wait until tomorrow or so. Yeah, SPY's looking good. Even Home Depot is now up to 2. Wow. I was looking at them at 274. Even this morning, and they're 272, and they're still climbing. They're up $12 since yesterday. Not yesterday, between yesterday and today. Yeah, they're up a ton on those. 50% on Home Depot calls just today. Yesterday, they climbed. Even Lowe's is climbing. Home builder stocks aren't about waiting. I don't think it's going to happen with Snap. Oh, not Microsoft. Oh, okay. I have a couple of 918 that you're down on. Yeah, I have all October positions just because September's so shaky. But it kind of gets boring. I want to trade. I just can't put. I don't want to put my money at risk because I've gotten clobbered in the last week. So I'm just trying to, or like the last week from like a week ago. So I'm just trying to manage my risk. Is it raining again? I don't know. We'll see. It's hard to know though. Everything's just kind of bouncing around. So we'll see. We'll see what kind of traction and action. I'll see if there's anything that I think's worth swinging into tomorrow, closer to like power hour. But I'm gonna hop off the live stream. You guys have been great though today. We're just still having more slowness. Tesla's kind of falling. EPST's coming back up, but we're just holding our positions for now. Trying to figure some stuff out, right? Wow, Caterpillar's still lifting off. Woo! Crazy. Yeah, the home builder stocks are not ones to mess with. Those things are just mooning. Oh, you got it, Yo Tango. I try to help, even trying to help people throughout this whole pullback. Like I made that video on risk management yesterday. I'll link that to you guys. It's doing pretty well though. I uploaded it super late last night. So if you guys want to go watch that video on how to manage your risk, I just uploaded it last night. Here's the link I just posted the link below. Positions, just so that I can manage my risk and just sit on the sidelines. Because I got plays going, but I don't want to jump into something and put myself in a bad position that I can't get out of. So that's just my little 2 cents of kind of how I'm playing today. Tesla fell, got a big red candle, so that pulled the portfolio just down just now. So we'll see. I'm gonna keep watching. That's gonna be it for me. Like I said, I'm pumped to see what you guys come up with. Oh, you got it, Blake. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to watch the new video that just came out. It would mean a lot. You guys are awesome. As always, I'll get to filming a new one pretty soon. I honestly was thinking about another one today, but I wouldn't have it up for today. It'd be kind of like a couple days. I just want to talk about the NVIDIA play that we made. But we'll do that. We'll do that soon. All right, but it's been a great stream. Thank you guys for hanging out. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll try to stream for about the same amount of time, maybe longer tomorrow.